Hello, my dear friends and viewers. You are welcome to Jonathan online class. Now, let us evaluate this math fund on the board. We are asked to find the cube root of 24. Wow! I know somebody will say it is not possible. Then this one, fourth root of 48. Quickly, let us solve it. In our solution, let's take it from here. This is simply cube root of 8 times 3, because 8 times 3 will give us 24. Then that will give us cube root of 2 raised to power 3 times 3. How? Remember that 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. That is 2 raised to power 3, which is equal to 2 raised to power 3. This will be equal to cube root of 2 raised to power 3 times cube root of 3. When you separate them, you get this. Quickly, this will give us, 2 raised to power 3 bracket 1 over 3. That's the meaning of this. Times, sorry, this is cube root. Cube root here, when you separate them, you have this and this. Times cube root of 3. Then you have 3 cancel 3 here, remaining 2 raised to power 1, which is 2. So we are left with 2 times cube root of what? 3. So we are left with 2 times cube root of 3. This is our answer. Wow, so you can see it is possible. Then let's look at number 2. Number 2, we are asked to find fourth root of 48. That will be equal to fourth root. Then, if you look at 48, if you look at the function of 2 or powers of 2 there, you can get something like 16 times 3. 16 times 3. Remember that 16 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18, right? 8 carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1, 4. So that is it. So we have 16 times 3. Then, which will give us fourth root. Your fourth root of this 16 now is 2. You now look at power of 4 here. Power of 4. That is 4 raised to power 2. Will give you what? 4 raised to power 2 will give you what? 4 times 4, 16. And also 2 raised to power of 4 will also give you this. So that will give you fourth root of this is what? 2 raised to power of 4. So what number will raise to power of 4 to give you 16? That is 2. 2 times 2, 4. This is 8. 8 times 2 is what? If you put another 2. 2 times 2, 8. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2 is what? 16. So we have this is 2 raised to power of 4 times 3, which will be equal to fourth root of 2 raised to power of 4 times fourth root of 3, which is equal to 2 raised to power of 4 bracket 1 over 4. That's what this means. Remember that if you have x, if you have square root of x, it is something as x raised to power 1 over what? 2. Okay. Times fourth root of 3. So 4 cancel 4 here. We are left with only 2. So our answer is equal to what? 2 times fourth root of this. We have 2 dot fourth root of what? 3. That's our answer. So this is what we have here. That's it. So 2 times fourth root of what? 3. This one is 2 times cube root of what? 3. Okay, good. Then this one asks us to do what? We are asked here that 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1. The question is why and how. We are asked to prove it. Why and how is it so that any number raised to the power of 0 is 1? According to laws of indices. Now see the proof of why it is always 1 when a number is raised to the power of 0, raised to the power of 0, or any entity raised to the power of 0, even an alphabet raised to the power of 0 is 1. Just watch out for the proof. So this is because 5 raised to the power of 0 means 5 raised to the power of 1 minus 1. You know that 1 minus 1 is 0 now. So 5 raised to the power of what? 1 minus 1. And this will be equal to 5 raised to the power of 1 dot, okay, let me use times 5 raised to the power minus 1. Can you see? 5 raised to the power 1 minus 1, which is also 0. So we want to prove why it is 1, which is 5 raised to the power 1 times 5 raised to the power minus 1, according to the law of indices of multiplication. Because in indices, we have a raised to the power x times a raised to the power y equals to a raised to the power what? X plus y. Okay, with this now, so 1 plus minus 1 is 1 minus 1. Correct. So we continue. This will give us 5 raised to the power 1 over what? 5 raised to the power what? Over 5 raised to the power 1. Why is it so? Because in indices, if you have x to the power minus 1, it is equal to 1 over what? X. That's 1 over x to the power 1. So this is 5 raised to the power 1 over 5 to the power 1, which is equal to what? 5 over what? 5. And they will give you what? 1. Cure ED. So this is the proof. So you can also use this system to do, you can apply it to any number. A raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. If you follow this same step, you arrive at 1. 10 raised to the power 0 is 1. You follow this step, you arrive at what? 1. So this is the proof based on laws of what? Indices. Using the multiplication law coupled with that of the negative power law. You get your what? Answer, the proof. So thank you for paying attention to this class. This is Joe Newton online class. I believe we can solve similar tasks when it involves roots like this. Yes, it is possible. Now, do not forget to subscribe at this YouTube channel for notifications each time I upload new videos. Don't forget to subscribe for me and also share and also comment your questions. I remain your tutor and the nominee for National Olympiads Award, National Teachers Olympiad Teachers Award 2023. Do not forget to vote for me. A vote is 200 naira, so that I will emerge your award national champion. But if you want to vote for me, you can simply look at the logo on that YouTube channel. You will see the